7 Amazing Uses of Aloe Vera. Aloe vera gel is widely known to relieve sunburn and help heal wounds. But did you know that your favorite potted plant can be used for much more than sunburn relief and household decor? The succulent has a long history of being used for medicinal purposes, dating back to ancient Egypt. The plant is native to North Africa, Southern Europe, and the Canary Islands. Today, aloe vera is grown in tropical climates worldwide, from relieving heartburn to potentially slowing the spread of breast cancer. Researchers are just beginning to unlock the benefits of this universal plant and its many byproducts. 1. Heartburn relief. Heartburn is a common symptom of gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, a digestive ailment. According to a 2010 analysis, taking 1 to 3 ounces of aloe gel with meals may lessen the severity of GERD. It might also help with other issues relating to digestion. The plant is a safe and mild treatment for heartburn due to its low toxicity. 2. Keeping produce fresh. In a 2014 study, aloe gel-coated tomato plants were the subject of a Cambridge University Press online publication. The study provided evidence that the coating effectively prevented the development of numerous dangerous bacterial species on the crops. In another investigation using apples, similar outcomes were discovered. This suggests that aloe gel could maintain the freshness of fruits and vegetables without the need of potentially harmful chemicals to do so. 3. An alternative to mouthwash. Aloe vera extract was discovered to be a secure and efficient replacement for mouthwashes with chemical bases by researchers in a 2014 study trusted source that was published in the Ethiopian Journal of Health Sciences. The plant's organic components, which include a significant amount of vitamin C, help prevent plaque. If your gums are puffy or bleeding, it may also help. 4. Lowering your blood sugar. According to a study published in the International Journal of Phytotherapy and Phytopharmacy, type 2 diabetics can see a reduction in blood sugar levels by consuming 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice daily. This may imply that aloe vera will someday be used to treat diabetes. Another study that employed pulp extract and was published in Phytotherapy Research verified same findings, but people with diabetes, who take glucose-lowering medications, should use caution when consuming aloe vera. The juice along with diabetes medications could possibly lower your glucose count to dangerous levels. 5. A natural laxative. Aloe vera is considered a natural laxative. A handful of studies have looked into the benefits of the succulent to aid digestion. The results appear to be mixed. In 2002, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration required that all over-the-counter aloe laxative products be removed from the U.S. market or be reformulated. The Mayo Clinic recommends that aloe vera can be used to relieve constipation, but sparingly. They advise that a dose of 0.04 to 0.17 grams of dried juice is sufficient. 6. Skin care. You can use aloe vera to keep your skin clear and hydrated. This may be because the plant thrives in dry, unstable climates. To survive the harsh conditions, the plant's leaves store water. These water-dense leaves, combined with special plant compounds called complex carbohydrates, make it an effective face moisturizer and pain reliever. 7. Potential to fight breast cancer. The therapeutic potential of aloe emodin, a substance found in the plant's leaves, was examined in a recent study that was published in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine. The authors contend that the succulent may have the ability to inhibit the spread of breast cancer. To push this notion further, more research is necessary. There are a number of ways to use the aloe vera plant and the various gels and extracts that can be made from it. Researchers are continuing to discover new methods to put this succulent to use. Be sure to consult your doctor if you plan to use aloe vera in a medicinal manner, especially if you take medication. 5 Healthy benefits of drinking aloe vera juice. Contains antioxidants, may help treat skin conditions and improve skin appearance, may benefit prediabetes treatment, may help with digestive issues, may improve dental and oral health. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, then kindly hit the like button, share and subscribe the channel. This will surely motivate us.